Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix Wi-Fi calling drains the battery on Infinix Note 60. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times. Turn on or turn off, turn on or turn off. After turn on or turn off flight mode, and you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on my phone, and you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last option is reset all settings. Click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and click on reset phone. Click on reset all settings, click on reset, enter your phone pin and click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix Wi-Fi calling drains the battery on Infinix Note 60. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.